What's up guys, in the previous episode you saw Brent refurbishing his turbo because he had some issues with the car. If you haven't seen it yet, you can watch it here above. I will put the link. Or we do that. Yeah. And in this episode, Brent is rebuilding his rear quarter panel. So watch this video and enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. So as you can see, there is a little bit of rust on the Evo. So Brent wanted to change these because he was not very stoked. Everything was a little bit rusted, and to prevent further rusting, Brent wanted to change it. As you can see over here, Brent already sanded it and rebuilt the side. Afterwards, he sanded every rust away, and after the sanding, he sandblasted it with a little outside sandblaster. Brent went ahead and cut a piece that would fit in there. Brent put the rear quarter panel on the car with the trunk to test fit to see if everything is still fitting. So then we started making some spot welds. For the spot welds we had to remove the paint from the new panel, that way the welds will fit way better, because welding on paint is not ideal. We had a body weld original panel and the new panel together. So as you can see, the car is completely painted there. We might restart the painting later on once we have a shop, but that's not for the moment. Now we're going to install the rear window. We first tried to test fit it, because we welded a new panel. You want to make sure that your panels are well welded,
because if your panel is crooked, your window won't fit anymore, and we were lucky and it was still fitting. We made sure to put an off, that way we are sure that the window won't fly away while driving, because that's also not ideal, not for yourself and not for persons riding behind you. We still had to move the window a little bit because it wasn't immediately in the right place, so we pushed it a little bit left, a little bit right, and then we had the perfect place. Once everything was on the right place, we removed the excess of the glue that we didn't need anymore, because it's not good to leave that in there. So everything was sealed off also while wiping off the excess.
So guys, this was today's video. The next time you will see the Evo will be when we have the shop. So see you guys for the next part in I don't know when. We're gonna keep you posted. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That way we know we are doing a good job with the rebuild. If we're doing anything bad, tell us so we can maybe adapt it.